Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. You can also check out maplemotors.com for additional information on every car. We do offer financing and shipping on all these cars as well. But today we're going for a test drive in a 1955 210. This one here is a 4-speed car. Pretty nice overall all the way around. We're gonna be doing a walk around video on it as well, so definitely look for that. I believe to be 327 up under the hood. Sounds like a decent running car here. So I'm gonna take you down the road, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. All right guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. And check the interior out before we take off. Go ahead, take your pole. Well, they don't have the pole on here no more, but go ahead and sit at home. Do you think the horn works? Just a little game we play up here. It's kind of fun. Interior looks pretty good. Headliner's a little bit loose in the back there. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. RPM's coming up on the dash there. E-brake slightly works. It holds just enough. Showing 504 miles on the dash. Looks like the engine tip is coming up. Our oil pressure's all the way up to like 65. Let's try the radio. What do I got? What have I done here? I've entered settings on it. There we go. Radio is working, a lot of static though. Let's see. Blower motor. I hear it cutting on. No AC on this one. You ready for the horn? It works. All right, let's hit the road. All right, we're getting ready to take off down the road here. This one does not have seat belts in it, so anything that I see, I will point out, and you're gonna know before you get here. Clutch lets out right kind of towards the top there. Gas gauge is floating around on me, so it should be working. Speedometer is not reading correct in this one. Steering's got a little bit of slack in it, not much at all. About that much right there. Starts turning back that way. Old horn's working on this one. See how these brakes feel. Brakes aren't bad. When I initially first hit them, it kind of pulled to the right a little bit. We'll try that again. Now they're stopping straight. They may have a little bit of dust on them. I believe they're drum brakes. I'll double check that on the front end. I'm not seeing any flashers for the turn signals popping up on the dash at all. I can hear it clicking, but I guess the bulb's out. Yeah, it's just the right bulb that's out. The left one is working. Old 55 drives pretty smooth. Suspension feels nice. I like how it looks like a gasser in the front end. Kind of setting up a little bit. We'll get over here in the parking lot, do some outside videos, some outside shots. I got all my equipment below in the description so you can check out everything I use. GoPro 7s, the mounts. I don't have my cooling towel on today, but I do need it. I just got in, got excited. I got a lot of cars to get to. We get these outside shots. Gotta put my tag on real quick. Make sure I get adjusted in the mirror here. Look all right. Just goofy enough. My hair's standing up. All right, hopefully this is a good view for you. Apparently I touched my phone enough to disable it in my pocket, so I can't see what I'm doing. But I definitely gonna roll down the window. Scorching. Been sitting here letting it run. Engine temperature's at 200, right below it, so it's not quite at 200 yet. See that clutch lets out towards the top there. Watch out for that skunk in the middle of the road. Nice and easy to shift. Overall, it's a pretty sweet ride. Somebody said they ain't seen a new vet yet. Well, got one right in front of us. A few of them running around this town. If we can get a look at it. Oh yeah. Big old bump in the road up here. Kind of listen for squeaks. Check the suspension coming up right here. Not too bad. Engine temp went back down to 180. Oil pressure still at 60. We're gonna pull back into the lot here. I gotta unblock the gate. We got a lot of cars to get to this week. We just updated with 10 new cars, so check maplemotors.com out. I appreciate you riding along with me. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Check out maplemotors.com for financing information and shipping. Yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. I try to post videos every day, so definitely keep up with our channel by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the notification bell to alert you. I got plenty of cars to get to today. Hopefully I get the Firebird done. The old Swinger up front, everybody's been asking about. And I got a 64 Corvette here on the lot that I'm gonna have to go get and do a video of as well. So be looking for that in the next 2 days. Also doing a full lot walk showing you all the new cars, and that's going on today for sure. So be looking for that. All right, guys, I'm gonna get to it. Appreciate y'all watching.